damaged. Can I have one slipper, please? Okay, and by the way, how much your feet? Huh? Why, madam? What why? I said how much your feet? No, I don't sell my feet, madam. No, Inday. You don't think. I said, give me your feet. Cut your slipper. Huh? No way, madam. No way. No problem. You don't understand me. I need your feet. How much number of your feet? Ah, you mean size, madam? Yes, yes. Size. Ah, I see.